terms of economic growth will accelerate, will have positive impacts on the rest of the world, especially Europe, that has a much larger impact from the trade with China. So it should help Europe with their recovery too. The reopening of the economy with tourism is going to be a shot in the arm for economic growth in China, especially with regard to the spending that's going to take place from these tourists. Remember that China is also sending a lot of their people overseas, which also will be a big positive. So the impact of tourism is good because remember that China has consumer spending about 40% of the economy, much slower than lower than the United States, which is close to 70%. So to the extent that they can bring in more tourists, that will supplement the growth in the economy, given that the share of consumer spending in the Chinese economy is lower than that of Europe and also the United States.